Hey, good morning. This is Chris with Hit Click Media. Just wanted to check in with you and try to get you kind of a tutorial on Octoparse and how I've been using it. So if you go to the internet, put in search engine Octoparse, it should pop up, and you want to go to the downloads. And the download software is free, but be warned that you will be asked to essentially start a free trial and possibly get roped into trying to pay for a monthly cloud service. You don't have to do that. You can do it free. There's I think it's like 2,000 downloads for free, so take that route. I'm using currently the beta 8.1, which is kind of their newest version, but it might have some little idiosyncrasies to it that might cause some difficulty. It's not difficult to use, but if there is anything that happens, it's a beta, that's why. So I'm using that one. You can download that, and once you do, it should come up on your home screen of your computer, not that, right here. So this is the software. It's now downloaded. It took probably about 2 minutes to download, 2-3 minutes, and then once you activate it on your screen, it'll pop up task. So here we go. If I were to start a new scrape, so if I'm looking for a restaurant in the city where I live or the place where I'm trying to develop a relationship with a customer, I press new. I'm using templates. You can go to the advanced mode if you've learned how to do that. I haven't done that yet, but you can essentially make a scraper that just gets the information that you're looking for. So if you're advanced and able to do that, requires a little bit more focus and educating yourself on it, you can do that. But I'm doing the task templates, which make it really convenient for you. They have so many categories, it's ridiculous. I'm using Yellow Pages first, and that's where I'm going to be getting my scraper to run on. So I'm going to be using Yellow Pages. I'm going to follow their directions. You're going to essentially get this type of information. You're going to get email, website, open hours, the phone number, the address, how much, like their ratings, and then some other categories that I'm not really particularly interested in. I'm sure there's a way to remove these, but I just gather it all at once because I don't want to mess with it. Here's a sample of the information when you're done running it. So this is what we're looking for once it's all gathered and collected. So sorry about the background information. I got kids in the background making noise, but that's okay. So we're going to try it. And this is a template, remember. So you can rename it for whatever business you're looking for. Task name is going to be business. I'm just going to leave it as group. Enter the keyword. I'm going to put restaurants. Restaurants. And this is going to be for Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, so now once we press save and run, it's going to be running a restaurant search in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's essentially going to be running on Yellow Pages. So I'm going to save and run. It's going to go about asking me how I want to run the task. I'm going to run the task on my device. If you had the cloud, had purchased the cloud software, then you can run it on the cloud, but I'd run it on my device. It takes about an hour to run it, but it gives you, the last time I ran it, it got me about 600 lines of information, and it'll extract it over that time frame, and it will go into Yellow Pages. It'll show you what it's doing above, restaurants, Atlanta, Georgia, and then it'll start streaming all the information that it is pulling from that website. So it's pretty quick, simple, easy to do. It's just a matter of taking the time to do a little bit of that research. All of these pieces of information are going to start being pulled up. I'm going to try to pull this down. No, I'm not. as it starts running we'll start pulling from these websites, like I said, and you'll get a list that will essentially look like a data sheet. Bye, guys. Yeah, if this was helpful, hopefully you can access all this information, call up all your clients, and it will hopefully provide you with something that is quicker and easier than the routes that you've been taking up to this point. Right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have questions, obviously ask them, and I will try to answer them for you. All right. Take care. Peace.